How you doing? My name is Doug, and I'm reporting live from the JCC Maccabi office. Today, we're going to walk you through on how to be a volunteer for these Maccabi games. Real simple. Just go ahead and check out this video, and we'll walk you through RegPack and the Sketch app. The first thing you're going to do is go onto your browser and put in FortLauderdaleMaccabi.com, which is our homepage. Then right there on your homepage, you're going to go to the tab that says National Registration. Click on that, and that's going to bring you right to the RegPack. This is our RegPack right here. Waiting for it to load. Gotta love buffering. All right, you can go right to the Register button. Go ahead and put in your information. Make a profile. All right, now that you've made your profile, go to the Add Registration. At this time, you want to go ahead and click on your delegation, put in Fort Lauderdale. Go ahead and fill out all the wonderful things you need there and all of your personal information. Then go ahead and click on the host family / volunteer. Then you can go ahead and scroll down right there where it says host family or volunteer. By the way, we do need host families, so please go ahead and sign up to be a host family as well, but this is just the volunteer portion. So thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and click on all these things. Proceed to the next step. There's going to be a lot of different stuff for your information that we're going to click on. We're going to go ahead and fast forward. There's like 2 pages of that. Going in through all of this, the COVID waiver, just go ahead and click on that. I agree. Going on to the next step. And here is the most important page that we love right here. It is the volunteer. What do you want to go ahead and volunteer for? I mean, you can go ahead and just click on no preferences, but since we're doing a tutorial, let's go ahead and click on all of them. If you want to go ahead and be in food, hospitality, transportation is a big need. JCC Cares is awesome. That's going to be on Sunday. You're going to sign up for that. And obviously, all of the athletics. Apparently, I'm over here just getting click happy. I'll just click on a bunch of these. Ice hockey, lacrosse, of course lacrosse. Just sign up for all of them. There you go. And we're going to scroll down. It's going to go ahead and show your availability. I'm available all week. And then over here, we're going to show a little personality traits. What would you like to do? Let us know. Are you an indoor person, are you an outdoor person, or are you a people person? This is where it all comes out here, right here. Go ahead and click. And we're going to scroll down, go to the next step. We're probably going to skip a couple of these steps here. You know what? Maybe let's just fast forward through all this stuff here. Here you go. This is really the most important, though. Your volunteer options right here. And this is the most important. Where you scroll all the way down here, click on this. This is for Sked, which is short obviously, for schedule. This is the app that we've all been waiting for right here. You go ahead and you click on these. That is the opening of Sketch, and it's going to go ahead and show all these things. Create a profile using your email. Let me looking at my personal information. Let's fast forward through this. There we go. Oh, look, we signed up. Look at that. Join now. And now it's time to pick some of these items. Going back to the main page, let's browse through. This is one of the best options that we have on here. You can search any of your friends. Lee Rosenberg is my bestie in the office. Let's go ahead and check out where he is at. Once again, if you're looking for whatever activities that your friends are doing, husband, wife, best friend, carpooling situation, that is a great option. Now we're going to go scroll down. Look at all these amazing activities that are up for grabs that we need help with. There's opening ceremonies. We have a lot of different items. Everything is color coordinated by the sport. Others are opening ceremonies and safety operations. We need help with all. Just click above some of these items and you can go ahead and see where they'll be located. See the address. See which venue is best for you. I like soccer. I'm a coach for soccer. I'm picking soccer. Let's start out there. As we scroll around the website, let's see what next I'm going to pick. We're going to go with ice hockey because I spent a day out in soccer. You want to chill out in an ice hockey rink, of course. And there you go. I clicked on the My Schedule. Let's check out what we had clicked on before. This is my schedule so far, right there on the lower right-hand side. And by the way, that does get emailed to you. That's another part of the options. It gets emailed to you on what you would be doing during the day. You can go ahead and put that on your daily schedule. Here I'm looking at hospitality. And which hospitality do you want to sign up for? What is better for you? What would you be doing? What venue you would be at? You can go ahead and pull that off right there. And scrolling down. I totally forgot why I'm scrolling down here. But once again, just like you go to these tabs, every single one of these sports or activities are color-coded. It's color-coded right there on the right side of your schedule page. They all have individual codes as well. A lot of these are going to go ahead and tell you what you're actually volunteering for and where they would be at. Just like I said before, there's plenty of venues. There's plenty of different activities, plenty of stuff to volunteer. If you're an inside person, if you're an outside person, as I did here, I clicked on a certain activity and it shows all the available times for that certain activity. Just like we have on the right side, you can see every single one of these are color coordinated. Now, there's different ways to go ahead and view your schedule and the times. You saw right there that we clicked on this. It's going to be a little more of how a calendar would be set up in your phone. We can go ahead and do that by sport or activity and show you where the times would be for you to go ahead and volunteer for. Whole bunch of messing around here. Let's scroll down a little bit more. This would be the next day or different times. Now, you pick soccer. You want to go ahead and open up your day. You want to pick something else. If you want to open up your day, just unclick the activity that you signed up for. It will go ahead and send an email. Right now, we're showing you which venue is going to be best for you. Obviously, we have 6 different venues for basketball that we're showing here. Go ahead and click on each one of them. Find out which venue right there on the lower part of the tab is going to be best for you. As you scroll on this website, and it's going to be on the app, go ahead and check out all the amazing items that we have on here. Mess around with it. Make sure you go ahead and sign up for as many things as you possibly can. We need all your help. Hopefully this has been very informative. Once again, this is Doug from the JCC signing off.